Hello, how you doing? Going to do some steak and eggs today. As you can see, a couple of fried eggs, serving it with some tomatoes, T-bone steak. Okay, so we've got a T-bone here. As you can see, there's the T. Nice bit of fat on it. This is about 700 or 800 grams, just over a pound. Decent size, sort of. Here's my hand there. What you need to do is never cook a cold steak. So get your steak out, room temperature, for about 15 minutes. Very simply, I'm going to get a little bit of olive oil on there, not too much at all, just a little drizzle like that, just a little rub. I'm going to do the other side as well. And then salt and pepper, that's all I'm going to do. If you want, you could rub it with some garlic or add another herb. Nice and thick, see that? So you're gonna need some sort of skillet or pan or something like that one. Mine's ribbed, as you can see, that kind of effect, but yeah, neither here nor there. Nice bit of heat on there, not crazy hot, but hot. We're gonna get our steak and we're gonna drop it in. Now we've got a nice piece of fat on that, it's quite thick. We're going to be flipping it a few times. I mean, obviously, depends how you like your steak. I like mine fairly well done. In fact, my children are going to eat this. They like it fairly well done. But we need to render that fat out, so I'm going to be holding it up on the side, cooking that side fat there. So I'm going to hold this up here for a minute or two, just to render out that fat on the side there. Can we see that there? I'm not sure if you're seeing that. Gonna keep going, flip it a few more times. Okay, we're smoking really nicely. I've flipped this over quite a few times now. Off goes the heat, looking really, really good. I'm kind of happy there. What we're going to do is we're going to get this onto a plate and let it sit just for a couple of minutes. Okay, so what I've done here, got a little pan, and that's the juices and oil that come out of our steak. So I'm going to get some tomatoes in there, 2 tomatoes, cut them in half. Simply just going to add a little bit of salt to them and just fry them up a couple of minutes on each side. Okay, and there you go, steak and eggs. Tomatoes are lovely like that. T-bone's beautiful, cooked it just how I like it. You do it how you want. A couple of fried eggs, delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, see you soon, lots of love. Look, I've just cut that. Are my kids gonna eat that? They're probably not gonna eat that. I'd eat that, but they're probably not. I'm gonna have to stick that back in the pan, aren't I? I'm happy though. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.